Alright, what's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to repair your subwoofer in the back right here of your LS430. Easy and simple. This cover is on right here. You just like pop it up. It has these 4 tabs, really easy to come up. A lot of people on YouTube say that you need to like remove the seat and then the back seat and the headrest and the seatbelt clips and then the back tray. I'm gonna be showing you really easy and quick how to just remove the sub and get it repaired. All right, so I got in contact with Simply Speakers and noticed on their YouTube channel that they didn't have a LS430 tutorial on how to fix the sub. And so I contacted them, and Sean and Tom were totally reasonable. They were like, yeah, make a video on it. We'll send you the whole kit. So right here we have the kit from Simply Speakers. And a little more about Simply Speakers. When I first contacted them, I contacted them way after business hours. It was probably like 9 or 10 o'clock at night. They got back with me real quick. They were like, yeah, we understand. Like, if you make a video, we'll send you the stuff out. And they sent me the whole kit for all the door speakers and the sub in the back. This looks like to be the sub cone or the sub foam. They also have some glue, application type tool. They have tips and tricks. You can also watch one of their YouTube channels or one of their YouTube videos on fixing a foam, and it will show you how to fix a foam. There's some contact info for Simply Speakers. They're an American company. The other day I was trying to order parts for this thing, and I noticed that it was from like Shenzhen or something. I was like, listen, COVID's not even over yet. I'm not that risky. But so, yeah, I'm gonna be showing you how to put this in really fast and easy. Like I said, people want you to... I saw some dude who removed like the whole back end of his whole car, all this trim, these pieces. I'm not trying to break any trim. For the cost of this kit, it's like a third the price of a sub or something, and in today's money it could be even less. So if you just buy the whole kit, you have the ability in the future to just replace all the door speakers or fix them, and it will still be Mark Levinson. I don't know if you understand about speakers, but the foam isn't Mark Levinson. The cone, the actual thing that creates the sound, is Mark Levinson. So if you don't have a Mark Levinson sound system, it might not be worth it. But I like the idea to still have a Mark Levinson sound system in my car. So let's get right into this. All right, so this may look a little hack, but at the end I'm gonna put some tape underneath this, and with this cover on top and popped in, you won't even be able to see anything. So take a deep breath. These bolts are gonna be 10 millimeter. One bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt right here. Can you see it? 4 bolt. And then the clip right here. There it is. All right, so I'm inside now, and I went inside to get a better more comfortable position to work on this thing. But I forgot I had these helpers here, and I'm not sure if this is a better spot than working outside. So we're gonna figure it out. Also, I'm not being paid to say anything that I say in this video. Simply Speakers just simply sent out this this whole kit and was like, make a video on it, thank you. And I was like, thank you. I got a brand new, or what I believe to be brand new, straight razor or whatever. And I got a Torx T15. Sam, no. I think these bolts right here are Torx bit. Now I think this thing should now separate. So yeah, this thing just pops off like that. Here are the instructions if you want to see it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try and remove the rest of this fully disintegrated foam. Like you just touch it and it falls apart. This is the problem with a 20-year-old Mark Levinson system. I'm just going to slowly go around the edge. The center foam is more tricky. You just want to do like a little cut on it, sort of. And then start peeling it back. So you want to be careful, as careful as you can be. All right, so now that I got the cone pretty much cleaned all the way off, I'm gonna use some hydrogen peroxide and just go around. All right, so the cone's basically all clean, seems totally fine. I'm gonna lay this thing down and see how it fits. Fits good. You want to flip the foam over like I just did, line it up, put it in its sort of spot upside down though. You're gonna want to put a bead of glue around this edge, which then flips over and connects to the actual sub. You want the sub to be like centered good. I'm going to then make sure it's even. This should take an hour to dry. In the very beginning, you want to make sure it's getting a good adhesion, because that's when it matters. It then needs to get a good dry. So once you get it situated, it's going to be where it's going to be, and then you need to let it dry. Now, what you can do is take your glue again. Be careful, and you want to go around the edge. All right, so I got the sub here fully rebuilt. It's dry. It's about 2 hours later from doing the gluing. I'm gonna install the 4 screws. I've got this foil insulation tape. I'm just gonna cut off a tiny piece right here. Now with a little vacuuming, you would never be able to tell almost that I was here, especially because there's a cover. So from the outside, you can't tell anything was there. Is it worth it to take apart your whole rear of your car for the sub? Definitely not when you can just do this. Will this make noise? I don't think so. It's carpet. It's also on top of foam. And beneath this is also, I don't know if you saw, padding. So it's not gonna make noise. All right, so don't mind the dinging. We got some non-copyright music right here. Turn it up pretty good. Oh yeah. Wow, that sounds so good. And just like that, your Mark Levinson system works perfect. So I'm gonna be releasing 2 more videos on how to release rear door cards and front door cards. I'm not gonna replace the speakers because they sound good, and I'm gonna save the foams for when they go bad. Once one speaker goes bad, I'm gonna replace all the door speakers. But hopefully you found that useful. I myself found it useful because since I got this car, the sub sounded like doo-doo, and now friggin' booms. So yeah. And again, do you want to take apart your whole back seat, take out all the cushions, headrests, unbolt these things, spend like 2 hours? Or do you just want it to be done and sound right? There you go. I'd like to thank Simply Speakers for sending me the kit, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.